Hey guys, what's happening? How to turn off live chat on YouTube live stream. So before we begin this video, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let's get started. So go ahead and open up your YouTube app. So if you're using Android device or iPhone, that should work. But if you're using your PC, go and open up your YouTube, right? Your YouTube website, and click create at the top right. You should find it. So I'm gonna click the plus sign, right? And I'm gonna select live right here, right? You're gonna see video at the bottom. You can swipe right to find live right here. And under your name, you're gonna see the pencil, right? Like in the bottom middle. So I'm gonna click the pencil. I'm gonna be able to control the live stream, right? Who I want to share this live stream with, and the audience. If you are targeting adults or young audience or whatever, you can see right here the last option, the advanced settings. Go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna be able to see chat, and you can allow chat or disable it. This means that no one will comment on your live stream. So if you would like that, go and click the advanced settings and turn off the live chat. And if you want to schedule this live stream for later as a reminder, or if you want to add your own location, right? And if you want to invite guests to your live stream, you can control all of that here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.